The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for, hey, what the heck is this? Oh no, it's Baby Shark, EXE. All residents in Indianapolis should seek shelter immediately. Paul, no. David, Paul, Dave. PLS help me.
What is it, Tom? Oh no, what the heck is this?
So as you could see, it is the scary Baby Shark EXE.
Don't worry, I'll tell Dave and David, both of you come here immediately.
What do you want?
What do you want? Oh no, it's Baby Shark EXE.
Stand back, guys. When I was a little kid I used to do this.
Okay, sorry, I'll go. I was only pranking someone.
Sorry for the interruption. Anyways, if you are in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter, and protect yourself from flying debris.